In this video, I will show you the exact steps needed to set up a seamless HubSpot integration directly from your Typeform account without any hassle. Connecting these two powerful tools allows you to automatically send your form responses straight into your customer relationship management system, which saves you an incredible amount of time and keeps your data organized. To get started with the process, you first need to log in to your Typeform account and navigate to your main dashboard. Once you are there, simply locate and open the specific form that you wish to connect to HubSpot. After your form is open in the editor window, look at the top menu bar and click on the tab labeled Connect. This section is where all the magic happens and where you can find various third-party applications to sync with. Now, you'll want to scroll through the extensive list of available integrations until you locate the HubSpot logo. When you find it, go ahead and click on the Connect button located right next to it. At this point, a new authorization window will automatically pop up on your screen. This window will ask you to log in to your HubSpot account using your standard credentials. Simply enter your email address and your password as you usually would. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be asked to authorize Typeform to access your HubSpot data. This is a secure and standard procedure that allows the two platforms to communicate and share information effectively. After you grant this permission, your accounts will be officially linked. You can then move forward with mapping your form fields to specific HubSpot properties so that every piece of information lands exactly where it belongs. This simple workflow ensures your leads are captured instantly, and your sales team can follow up with every prospect right away without any manual entry required from your side at all.